Hi everyone, I am Riolian Sibug from Automotive 1A, and in this video I'll go over with the atomic structure's history and share what I've learned about it. The term atom was first used by a Greek philosopher, which is Democritus, who believed that if you split a piece of substance and keep dividing it, eventually you will be unable to divide it anymore. Democritus referred to this as the notion of the world, but Aristotle disagreed, proposing that matter is continuous and composed of four elements: fire, air, water, and earth. For centuries, the development of atomic theory was impeded by the widespread acceptance of Aristotle's thesis. According to John Dalton's first scientific atomic theory, which was founded on experimental data, all matter is made up of atoms. Atoms of the same element are the same, atoms of other elements differ, and atoms rearrange during chemical reactions. The Plum Pudding Model, which states that atoms are made up of positively charged pudding with electrons dispersed like plums, was put out by Thomson, who also discovered the electron, a negatively charged particle. In addition to developing the nuclear model of the atom, which holds the electrons revolve around a dense nucleus that holds the majority of the atom's mass, Ernest Rutherford also carried out the Goldfall method. It is known as the atomic model of Rutherford. Despite his agreement with Rutherford's concept of the atom, Niels Bohr was aware of some of its shortcomings. Rutherford's model was refined by him using his understanding of energy and quantum physics, and he was able to explain why the electrons did not collapse into the nucleus. He also postulated the electrons had fixed energy level as they orbit the nucleus. A physicist from Australia named Erwin Schrödinger advanced the Bohr atom model to explain the probability of discovering an electron in a specific location. He employed mathematical formulas. The quantum mechanical model of atoms is the name given to this atomic blueprint. The notion of sub-energy level was thus introduced by this paradigm. James Chadwick claims that the existence of neutrons explains why atomic masses are more than the sum of protons alone. The neutron is a neutral subatomic particle found in the nucleus. And in atomic structures, understanding of atomic structures, we can learn more about the components of life, the structure of the universe, and the components of our bodies by studying atomic structure.
The periodic table agrees elements by atomic number and chemical properties, helping scientists understand their relationship, predict behavior, and study the properties. Metalloids between metals and nonmetals, semiconductors, special group alka ay alkali metals group number 1, high reactive alkaline earth metals group 2, less reactive than alkali metals, noble gases group 18, interstable unreactive. Conclusion. This semester I gained a deeper understanding of periodic table, its structure and trends that explains elements behavior. The table helps periodic predict elements, electrons, and classifies them into metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Understand trends like atomic radius and electronegativity highlights the importance of the periodic tables in chemistry and the natural world. Main content. The periodic table is organic into periods, rows, and groups. Calciums and elements in the same group share similar properties. It is divided into metals, left and center, non-metal right, and metalloids behind. Group of periods. The group vertical 18 groups elements in the same group have similar reactive due the same number of valence electrons. Periods horizontal 7 periods atomic number increase across a period and elements become less metallic and more non-metal metallic.
Hello, I'm Christian Jerome Lapos. My topic in this video is chemical bonding. What with the chemical bond? Chemical bonding, a fundamental concept in chemistry, involves atom forming molecules or compound. It's classified into ionic, covalent, and metallic leakage, each with unique properties underpinning matter structure and reaction. Number 1. Chemical bond can be ionic covalent or metallic. Ionic bond involve electrons exchange between metals and nonmetals, while covalent bonds involve electron pairs. Metallic bond provide metals with conductivity. Number 2. Atoms and typical follow the octet rule, consisting of 8 electrons in their valence shell to enhance stability, with exception for transition metal and hydrogen. Number 3. Bond strength is determined by bond length and shear electron, with triple bonds being stronger. Electronegativity evaluates an atom's ability to attract electrons, affecting bond type and polarity. Number 4. Chemical bonding is essential in understanding the physical and chemical properties of substance and regulating molecular shape and interaction in a crucial field like materials science and pharmacology. Conclusion. Chemical bonding is the process of atoms forming molecules or compounds, allowing the information various components and substance is classified into ionic, covalent, and metallic leakage, each with unique properties and behavior. Understanding chemical bonds is crucial for chemistry.
Good day, ma'am. I am Giancarlo S. Manao from Automotive 1A, and this is a short story about naming and writing compound. Systematic standard is in chemistry regulate the name and writing of chemical substances, which differ depending on their nature, ionic, covalent, or acidic, assuring accurate depiction of substances and formulation. Chemical compounds are divided into three types. We have ionic, covalent, and acidic. The first one is ionic compound. Metals and nonmetals combine to form this material. The metal is called first, followed by a nonmetal, with the IDE suffix such as sodium chloride. For the transition metals, Roman numerals represent the metal charge. The number 2 is the covalent molecular compound. Made up of nonmetal, the prefixes, for example, mono, di, tri, represent the total amount of atom, such as carbon dioxide. The first element composed of only one atom, the prefixes is mono has been removed. The number 3 is acid. Named after their anion. When anion ends in IDE, its acid name starts with hydro and finishes with IC acid. For example, hydrochloric acid. When an ion ending in ATE or ITE, the suffixes convert to IC acid or OUS acid respectively. Chemistry requires mastery of chemical, nomenclature, and writing. This established guideline provide a uniform framework for clear communication and an improved comprehension or chemical compound in academic and practical settings.
When writing about naming and writing chemicals, the shape normally consists of an advent, important content, and a conclusion here breakdown. Introduction goes introduce the subject of chemicals and their importance in science and everyday life. Define chemical compound, material formed by using or more factor chemically combined. Spotlight, the one for a scientific naming machine, IUPAC, to ensure worldwide consistency and keep away from compassion. Nation, the objective gaining knowledge of how to call and write chemical compounds. Example, chemical substance shape the foundation in chemistry, representing the combination of the factors that make up the whole lot inside the universe to make certain clear conversation among scientists, global standard gadget for naming and writing those critical this guide explore the ideas and strategies for appropriately naming and writing chemicals. Main content material 1. Form of compound. Differentiate among ionic, covalent, and acid base. Provide example for every kind. 2. Rules for naming compounds. Ionic compounds. Name the state Asian first observed by the non-metal ion with a ID suffix. Instance NaCl, sodium chloride, include Roman numerals for transition metal, e.g. FeCl2, FeCl3, iron chloride, covalent compound. Use a prefix mono, Ti, Tri to denote the quality of atoms. Instance CO2, carbon dioxide, acid. For binary acid, upload hydro, prefix and IC acid, suffix Cg, HCl, hydrochloric acid. For oxide acid, modify the polyatomic ion called H2SO4, sulfuric acid. To rewrite the chemical formulas. Next way to derive formulation from name. Emphasize balancing goes in ionic compound. Provide example consisting of the magnesium chloride MgCl2, carbon terachloride CCl4,